Sino yung may-ari ba talaga nung bahay na yon?
Your Honor, hindi po kami aware kung sino po yung owner mismo, but we are...
I will answer that. Ang may-ari po dati, Doris Magsaysay Ho.
And you were there as what?
Staff ng tenant. May tenant kasi si Doris Magsaysay Ho na sila nakatira silang staff. So nung nabenta, existing pa yata yung lease contract, so hindi sila umalis. Pero pinipilit silang umalis nung bagong owner.
And allegedly, ang bagong owner is Martin Romualdez.
Yun ang sinasabi.
Yun ang sinasabi mo kanina?
Yes.
At referring to Diskaya?
No, let's based on documents, yung bahay na ibenta sa isang corporation, Golden Peasant Holdings Corporation. Incidentally, the major stockholder, also used to sit in the board of at least 2 corporations associated with the former speaker. Ito yung Benguet Corporation. I think mining yata ito. Yung isa yung may joint venture sa ABS-CBN. Dito yung pangalan. Teka. Romualdez something. And another one, I think Mark Venture something. At saka treasurer siya doon sa, yung media company owned by Romualdez. Kasi Romualdez Media something na may joint venture sa ABS-CBN. So yun ang association. So, no, we're not trying to implicate the former speaker. Hindi tayo nagta-target dito. Dumating lang sa ating attention, but we cannot disregard because sabi ko nga, there were persistent reports na ang initial information nga sa pangalan ni Diskaya na, or kay Diskaya na ibenta. So it appears now na hindi totoo kasi ang naging role lang, allegedly, ni Carla Diskaya, yun nga, dumating siya doon, February or January, at sinasabihan sila, umalis na kayo dyan. So yun lang ang pinagtataka natin. So, hindi naman ito enough to implicate or to implead the former speaker.